The trouble called P0335 in Nissan cars means that the signal from the crankshaft position sensor is not correct or is absent. When you see this code, the car will most likely still work, but the ECU may set the limp home mode, or the engine may lack power, struggle to keep working at idle, and overall be pretty shaky and vibrating. Also, the engine will be hard to start, especially when it's hot. In V6 engines, the crankshaft sensor is located at the back of the engine on the side that is closer to the firewall, exactly at the bottom part of the block. It's easy to replace and it will take 5 minutes. You will just need to get under the vehicle. In 4-cylinder engines, the sensor is usually on the driver's side in left-hand cars, and it's also located on the bottom part of the block. If you decide to replace the sensor, make sure you buy the OEM Nissan part, since it's not that expensive and it will obviously last long, while aftermarket sensors are very often faulty right out of the box. Also, you may need to buy additionally the O-ring, otherwise the sensor may not sit tightly and will fail quite soon. Also, the P0335 code may be set because of the camshaft position sensor failure. If the camshaft sensor starts sending wrong readings, the brain of your car may not immediately understand which sensor is malfunctioning and may set the code P0335. In many Nissan engines, the crankshaft and camshaft sensors are identical, and it makes sense to check them all. Even visual inspection can tell you a lot, because these sensors may be destroyed by oil getting onto electrical connections. You will clearly see this and will know that you need new sensors and O-rings. If the sensors prove to be okay, but you still see the P0335 code, you may consider checking the timing chain. If it's badly stretched and you hear rattling, this may be your problem, since in this condition the control modules in your car are getting mixed signals from the crankshaft and camshaft position sensors, and make the conclusion that the problem is with one of the sensors. But I hope this is not your case, since chain replacement will cost quite a lot.